All right, let's jump right in. I want you to picture something for a second. Imagine if all of your company's existing documents, the reports, the presentations, even pages on your website, could be instantly transformed by AI into a professional grade video. What would that mean for how your business communicates? Well, today, we're going to explore a platform that's trying to do exactly that. It's called OVideo. Seriously, just let that sink in. Every single PDF, every PowerPoint you've ever labored over could suddenly become this dynamic, engaging piece of content. We're talking about a complete shift in how we can share and consume information. It's a pretty big idea. But hey, before we get into the solution, we've got to understand the problem, right? And the reality is, for most businesses, video production is a real headache. When you think about making a corporate video, what's the first thing that comes to mind? For most people, it's a long, complicated, and super expensive process. You know the drill. You have to plan it, then you have to shoot it, then you spend forever editing it, and the hours just keep stacking up. A single, simple video can just devour an incredible amount of resources, both time and money. It's a huge pain point for pretty much any organization. And let's be real, in the world we live in today, speed is everything. The pace of business is just relentless. If you're slow getting your message out there, you're not just late, you're already falling behind the competition. And that's the crucial thing to remember. This delay, it's not just some minor inconvenience. We're talking about lost market opportunities. We're talking about a serious bottleneck that can literally slow down your company's growth. It's a much bigger deal than just lost time. Okay, but this is where things get interesting. This is where AI is starting to completely flip the script on how this all works. Let's take a look at how it could totally revolutionize that old, clunky video workflow. So here it is. OVideo. At its core, it's an AI video generation platform that was built from the ground up for businesses. Its main job? To take the stuff you already have, like PDFs, PowerPoint decks, or even just a website link, and automatically turn it all into a polished, professional video. And here's the magic behind it. The AI reads your document and writes a script from it. Then a TV-quality virtual announcer with really natural lip syncing delivers that script. It's built to handle all kinds of corporate files, gives you different visual styles to choose from, and it's all wrapped up with enterprise-level security. It's the whole shebang. So you're probably thinking, okay, how does this actually work? Is it complicated? And the answer is a big nope. In fact, the whole process is so simple, it's almost unbelievable. It really just boils down to 3 easy steps. Step 1, you give it your asset. Upload a PDF, a presentation, or just paste in a link. Step 2, you sit back and let the AI do all the heavy lifting. It generates everything, the script, the visuals, the announcer, all of it. And step 3, well, that's it. Your video is done. And get this, it can be ready in as little as 5 minutes. A job that used to take days is now done in less time than it takes to make a cup of coffee. Wild. Okay, so what does this all mean in the real world? Let's break down the numbers, because this is where the impact on efficiency and cost really hits home. First up, efficiency, a 98% increase. To put that in perspective, a task that would have taken you 4 hours, basically your entire morning, can now be done in just 5 minutes. Your whole morning's worth of work finished before your coffee even gets cold. And then there's the money. A video that might have cost you, say, $300 to produce can now be made for about $10. That is a 97% cost reduction. All of a sudden, those video projects that you had to shelf because of the budget, they're back on the table.
This table does a great job of laying out what makes a tool like this different. Just look at that preparation row. Most other AI tools need you to do what's called prompt engineering. Basically, you have to write these really complex instructions to tell the AI what you want. But OVidio's whole approach is different. It's designed to work directly from the documents a company already has. And that right there is the key difference that makes its workflow so incredibly simple.
So beyond all the data and numbers, how is this tech actually being used by real companies? Well, there's a great story from Lion Travel that shows how it can be used to create a real human connection. Lion Travel, which is a huge travel agency, is using this technology to create AI avatars that look exactly like their real-life tour guides. They then send out personalized pre-trip briefing videos to every customer. It helps travelers feel way more comfortable and gets them excited before their trip even starts. It's brilliant. We sell emotion. Ultimately, it is always people who deliver warmth. This is such a powerful idea. It shows that the technology isn't just about being efficient. It's being used to amplify and extend that very human communication. So what we're seeing is AI being used to extend human warmth, not replace it. And that, my friends, opens up a whole new world of possibilities for how businesses of all kinds can communicate. I mean, the potential applications are everywhere. Think about it. Instant videos for employee training, dynamic marketing for your customers, personalized client presentations, better sales tools, clearer internal messages. The game changer is being able to create professional content way faster and cheaper than ever before. So I'll just leave you with this question to think about. In your business, in your world, what is that human warmth that AI could help you extend? What kind of connections could you build if making a video was suddenly this easy? Look, a new era of communication powered by AI is already here. And honestly, the best way to really grasp the power of tools like this is to just see them in action. It's definitely something worth checking out to experience that potential for yourself.